Hello guys, this is Vsquare Tech and I am your tech guide Vinyas, and today I am going to speak about the Apple iPhone SE2. So let's get started. The Apple iPhone SE2 is 4.5 inch, that is 11.43 cm display with a screen resolution of 640 x 1136 pixels and will be running with iOS 12. The device is powered by quad-core with 2.34 GHz processor and paired with 2 GB of RAM. This phone is available with a notch and dual rear camera, which is as same as the iPhone 10. Now going to the next feature, the iPhone SE2 will be having Touch ID and the Face ID. In this phone, we can insert only one SIM. Obviously, in every iPhone, we can only insert one SIM. The chipset is Apple A10 Fusion chip with graphics is powered by PowerVR GT 7600+. The RAM of the phone is 2 GB and the internal storage is 32 GB. The display type of the phone is IPS LCD with pixel density of 269 ppi, which is quite a little bit good. Now, coming to the next feature, the camera is 12 megapixel rear camera and 8 megapixel front camera. It has a video recording of 30 fps. We can also take HDR photos by this. The capacity of the battery is 1750 mAh. This phone will be launched on November 3rd week 2018, and we hope that this device will come under the budget. So guys, that's all from this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video to the maximum people you know. And subscribe to our channel Vsquare Tech and Games, and we'll bring videos like this.